It's a 2004 WJ 2004, and just went to Walmart and got a three or $4 water cooler, a igloo cooler. That's all it is. Made a reservoir. It already comes with a hole in the top. You know, right there, you stick your hose down in there, put some water in there, you're good to go. The old one went out. It cracked, and yeah, this thing. But if just an idea, if somebody if you want to get a bigger reservoir, you know, a DIY um, suggestion that'll hold more water, easy to put in. Just stick your hose down in there, put some water in there, you're good to go. If you want to put some water in there, just unscrew this top here, put your water in there. I just put another another vent hole up in there for, you know, just added added awareness. But the more I get to working on this thing, I'll come back and let y'all know. All right. Have a good day. See y'all next time.